we're going to talk a little bit about some capitalization and punctuation rules that are still proving a little challenging that would be great to reinforce because your writing ideas are so strong. Our objectives are to be sure that we have the rules of capital letters and punctuation marks really clearly understood, and that we have some strategies as to how to implement those rules so that it becomes automatic and doesn't require checklists, and you can take over and edit your work more effectively yourself. All sentences begin with capital letters. I know I don't need to say that, but I wanted to start small. Proper nouns begin with capital letters. Remember that if we talk about schools in general, that's a common noun. If I talk about Baltimore Lab School, that's a proper noun. My cat, but a Siamese cat named Boris. Siamese is a proper noun. Boris is a proper noun, but cat is a common noun. Always always pronoun I. I know this is just some texters Waterloo. Capital letter begins the first, last, and any important letter in the title of a book or magazine, a song, a movie, poem, or other work. We leave out prepositions. We leave out some conjunctions like and. Here's a good example. A comma comes before the coordinating conjunction that separates independent clauses in a compound sentence. By that I mean when a sentence has two parts, we do the test. And I know you know exactly what I mean when I talk about the test. We want to see that each part can stand alone. In a sentence like this, she finished her work. Can that stand alone? Is that a subject and a predicate? After a quick snack, she went to bed. There's the second part. If those two stand alone and you have a coordinating conjunction, we use a comma. Or, without a coordinating conjunction, those independent clauses are separated with a semicolon. But again, the test. Try each alone. If they can stand alone, then we'd use a semicolon. Comma separates items in a series. An interruption from the rest of the sentence. If I'm addressing someone, Mrs. Feldman, comma, I'm listening to your resource video right now. Comma separates quoted words from the rest of the sentence. I wanted to go, comma, quote, she remarked. Don't punctuate the quote if it's within the bigger sentence. You wouldn't put a period there, you put a comma. Comma separates items in an address or date. I think you're familiar with that. And the last bit of that I see every once in a while is that a colon. When you have that ta-da moment, a colon would be how you would introduce something. I need the following items. Ta-da! Wait for it, scissors, paper, glue, and paint. So to think about this a little bit more, do I think I understand this and I have a good reference guide and I understand the punctuation and the capitalization rules? If not, go back and listen to this video again. Pause it. Look at the rules that you need to review. Can I use my editing and revision checklist more effectively? And will I use the test strategy to check compound sentences? That's a huge one. Test each side, see that they can stand alone. If they can, you need the and, or, but with a comma, or you need the semicolon. That's it.